Burtau Veritas's remote and augmented surveys allow maritime actors to optimize asset inspection and repairs with remotely controlled technologies, artificial intelligence models, and augmented reality. Clients can use remote inspection technologies during onboard inspection to see remotely, improving safety and accessibility while limiting survey preparation costs and operational delays. Remote surveys are complemented by artificial intelligence solutions, where data is collected continuously from remote technologies and fed into advanced computer vision solutions, creating a source of collective intelligence. This information allows for the automatic detection of defects, improving asset monitoring and maintenance. Our experts can also perform fully remote verification for a specified scope of work from anywhere in the world, helping clients taking decisions in real time. To provide 24/7 support and expertise, Burtau Veritas has opened remote survey centers worldwide. These centers help our surveyors work remotely, allowing collaboration with our clients at any time. The second pillar of our digital classification offer, Remote and Augmented surveys allow owners, operators, and surveyors to optimize surveys, reduce risk, improve safety, and limit costs throughout the asset lifecycle.